Ignition's OPC UA server can flag tag values as stale when the system hasn't received an update in a while. This is called the stale threshold. Let's take a look at where this setting is. I'm in the configure section of my gateway, and if I scroll down here, just under OPC UA server and settings, and we'll scroll down just a little bit further here under the other section. There's a stale threshold property. It's currently set to 5. This setting here is a multiplier based on the rate of the scan class each tag is on. So for example, the scan class name default runs at a 1000 millisecond rate. After the system receives a new value for a tag on that scan class, the value is only good for an amount of time equal to the rate multiplied by the threshold value here. So our tags on the default scan class that are receiving values from a device connected to this OPC UA server need to receive updates from the PLC every 5 seconds. Otherwise, the tags will have a stale quality. Now it's important to understand that this setting is applied to all tags that are using Ignition's OPC UA server, regardless of which driver or the type of device. In most cases, a value of 5 is acceptable, but you may wish to adjust this. Again, the actual threshold period is dependent on this setting and the scan class on the tag. If I have a scan class on this gateway with a 1-minute execution rate, then the actual threshold period will be 5 minutes, which may be far too long for me to realize that there's actually a problem. Conversely, if the scan class was set to 100 milliseconds, then the threshold period would be 500 milliseconds. That may be too sensitive. The slightest network issue could cause my tags to show stale values. When creating your scan classes, you'll certainly want to take a look at this setting here and make sure that it's configured in a way that will appropriately detect when a value should be flagged as stale.